Good day and welcome to Unique Math class. In today's class, we're considering the topic number base. And under number base, we have conversion from one base to the other. Now, we have two examples to solve. The first one says convert 1021 in base 3 to base 8. So let's see how we can solve this problem. Solution. All right, the first one is that we should convert 1021 in base 3. Now, note this, to convert from a base, let's say other bases to base, the one base to the other. First, we need to convert to base 10. That's the denary before you now convert to the required base. So we will convert from base 3 to base 10. And to convert from base 3 to base 10 implies us doing the expanding form, right? We will have to label attach 0, powers of 0, 1, 2, and 3 to these numbers because the one here represents units, 2 indicates tens, 0 indicates 100, 1 indicates 1000. So we attach the power of 0 for 1, the power of 1 for 2, that's for the tens, the power of 2 for the 100, and the power of 3 for the 1000. So applying that will give us, expanding this becomes, the first number here is 1. 1 times the base is 3, raised to the power, right? The power indicating 3. So this is the place value of 1000, all right? So now we 1 times 3 to the power of 3 plus. The next number is 0. So we have 0 times 3 to the power of 2 plus. The next number here is 2. So we have here 2 times 3 to the power of 1. The next number is 1. So we have 1 times 3 to the power of 0. All right, so this becomes equals to the first number. We have 1 times 3 cube here implies from indices 3 cube implies that we multiply 3 by itself 3 times. That gives us 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is what? Is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So that's 27. So 3 cube is equals to 27. So that becomes 1 times 27. That's 27. All right? Plus, any number multiplied by 0 gives 0. So this automatically turns 0. So this is plus 0. Then plus 2 times 3 is 6. This is 6. Right? Plus the next number. Remember from the knowledge of indices that we had that 0 index, any number raised to the power of 0 is 0. So this becomes that this number 3 to the power of 0 equals to 1 rather. Please, any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So we have that if we have 8 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So this is equals to 1. That implies that 3 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. All right. So this equals to 1 times 27 is 27 plus 6 plus 1. This equals to 27 plus 6, that's 33. 33 plus 1, that is 34 in base 10. So this is the value of 1021 in base 3 is equals to 34 in base 10. Now we'll convert from base 10 now, which is denary, to the required base, which is base 8. And that base 8 is also known as octal. All right, so let's convert from base 10, that's denary, to other base. We apply the tabular form. So we have this, okay. Now the number here is 34, right? So 34 comes up here. 34 comes up here. And then the required base, which is base 8 to convert to, is written here. All right, so now to convert from base 10 to base 8, now this 34, we'll divide 34 by 8. Whatever is the value, write it accordingly. So 34 divided by 8 is, remember that 4 times 8 is 32, right? So 34 divided by 8 will give us 4 remainder 2. So that will be 4 remainder 2. Right? So we bring down 8, dividing 4 by 8. 4 can be divided by 8 equally. So we have this as 0 remainder, that's same 4 and that 4. Now we read from bottom up. From bottom up is a result. So that implies that 1021 in base 3. 1021 in base 3 equals to, reading from bottom up, that is 42. 42 in base 8. So that's how to convert from one base to the other. First, we need to convert to base 10. That's the denary before you now convert to the required base. All right, so with that understanding, let's do the second example. Number 2. It says convert 2101 in base 5. That's quinary to base 7. So let's see how we can do that. The same approach we will do here. So that will be the first thing to convert it to base 10. Now, converting to base 10, we attach the powers of 0, 1, 2 to the numbers, starting from the unit. So 5 here indicates units, so we have 0 attached to it. A 0 indicates tens. 1 indicates 100, we have 2 attached to it. 2 indicates 1,000, we have power of 3 attached to it. So we have this, to expand it this way, gives us this as the required solution. 2, the first number 2 times the base times 5 raised power. The power here is 3, right? To the power 3, that becomes 2 times 5 to the power 3 plus. The next number is 1, so we have 1 times 5 to the power of 2, right? Plus, the next number is 0. 0 times 5 to the power of 1. Plus, the next number is 5, so we have 5 times 5 to the power of 0, right? So that's it. So this gives us equals to, now 2 times 5 cube. 5 cube there implies 5 times 5 times 5. That is equals to 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. So therefore that 5 cube is 125. So that's 2 times 125, right? Plus, now 1 times 5 square. 5 square is 25. That means 1 times 25, right? Plus, this is 0 times any number times 0 is 0. So this automatically is equated to 0. So this becomes 0. Plus, remember from our knowledge of indices, that 0 index, when you have a number raised to the power of 0, it gives us 1. So 5 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5, all right? So that's 5 times 1, okay? So we have equals to 2 times 21 to 5 is equals to 250 plus 1 times 25 is 25 plus 5 times 1 is 5. So that's equals to, all right, let's add it. 250 plus 25 is 275 plus 5 is 280. So this is 280 and in base 10. So we have to convert it from base 10 to required base, which is base 7, using the tabular form, right? So the tabular form is done this way, right? The number here is 280. So we have 280. And the required base to change it to is what? Base 7. So we have base 7 written here. All right, so let's divide 280 by 7. Now, 280 is a large number. So what do we do? Now, if we divide 20 by 28 by 7, that is 28 by 7, 4 times 7 is 28. So 28 by 7 will give us 4. And if you add this, that becomes what? 40. So that means the number 280 divided by 7 is 40. 40 remainder 0. We bring down 7, right? All right, so let's proceed. Dividing 40 by 7, 4 and 7 times 5 is 35. So dividing 40 by 7 gives us 5, remainder 5. Right? We bring down 7. Now dividing 5 by 7, 5 cannot be shared to 7 equally. So what do? We have here 0. Remainder, this 5 that is here is written here. So now, since we have 0, we can now read from bottom up. So that's why the arrow goes up, meaning that we are reading our result from 5, 5, and 0. So that means that the value 2101 in base 5, therefore 2101 in base 5 is equals to 550 in base 7. All right, so that's how to convert from one base to the other. First, convert to base 10 denary before the required base. All right, so with that, I will want us to solve this as our exercise. Let's convert this number. Exercise, class activity. Let's do this, please, and then drop the solution on the comment section. Now let's convert in the number 10101 in base 2. Let's convert it to base 7. All right, convert the number 1010 in base 2 to base 7. Then drop the solution of it to on the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel, and then for more videos on mathematics. Let's move to the next session where we have more problems involving number base. Thank you.